Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the first impression of your home, a critical part of your security, and a contributor to your home's energy efficiency. In Talladega, where weather shifts from hot summers to chilly winters, your door works hard to keep your home comfortable and protected. Over time, though, doors wear out and need replacement. If you've been wondering whether it's time to install a new one, here are the top signs you shouldn't ignore. Drafts and rising energy bills. One of the most common signs is a noticeable draft near the door. If you feel air seeping in around the frame, it means your door isn't sealing properly. This can force your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. With Talladega's hot summers, an inefficient door can quickly become costly. A new, well-insulated door can cut energy waste and improve indoor comfort. Visible damage and wear. Doors take daily use, weather exposure, and the occasional accidental bump. Over time, you may notice cracks or warping in the wood, rust or dents on metal doors, peeling paint or water damage. These aren't just cosmetic problems. They weaken the door's structure and reduce its lifespan. If your door looks battered or feels flimsy, replacement is a smarter choice than repeated repairs. Difficulty opening or closing. If your door sticks, scrapes the floor, or doesn't latch smoothly, it could be due to shifting in the frame, swelling from humidity, or warping from age. While minor adjustments can sometimes help, ongoing issues signal that the door has lost its proper fit. In Talladega's humid climate, this is especially common with older wooden doors. Installing a new door ensures smooth operation and better security. Outdated style that hurts curb appeal. Your entry door plays a huge role in your home's appearance. If it looks outdated or doesn't match your home's style, it can drag down curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell your home or just want a fresh, modern look, a new door can instantly boost your home's value and charm. Homeowners in Talladega often find that an upgraded entryway makes their property stand out in the neighborhood. Poor security features. A strong, secure door is your first line of defense against break-ins. Older doors may lack modern locking systems or have weakened frames that make them easier to force open. If you've noticed loose hinges, a soft or hollow feel, or outdated locks, it's time to consider a new door installation. Today's doors often come with reinforced materials, advanced locking options, and shatter-resistant glass for added protection. Excessive noise from outside. If outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or Talladega events seeps easily into your home, your door may not be doing its job. A new, well-fitted door with proper insulation can greatly reduce noise pollution, helping you enjoy a quieter and more peaceful living space. Moisture leaks or mold growth. When a door no longer seals correctly, rainwater and humidity can creep inside. Over time, this leads to moisture damage, warping, and even mold growth around the doorframe. Not only does this affect the structure, but it also impacts indoor air quality. A fresh installation eliminates these issues and protects your home from long-term damage. Final thoughts. A door that looks fine on the surface may still be costing you money, lowering your security, or reducing your home's comfort. If you've noticed any of these signs, drafts, damage, difficulty closing, outdated style, weak security, noise issues, or moisture leaks, it's a clear indicator that your home in Talladega could benefit from a new door installation. Upgrading your door is an investment in comfort, safety, and style. With so many durable and energy-efficient options available today, you can choose a design that fits your home perfectly while adding long-lasting value.